What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your Kdotcouture, and today I am bringing to you this super freaking cute bob. Like, this bob is so cute. I'm not even a short hair girl. I'm a 30-inch bust down type of girl, but this bob definitely did it for me. So if you guys are interested in seeing the details and how I installed it, keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so getting right into this unboxing. This is from Tinashe hair. This is what the box looks like, and I also had this bag in the package as well. We had some goodies inside. We had some clips. That's another elastic band that we got. We also got a comb. They had goodies galore, baby. They sent a whole nother bag with just goodies. We got a wig cap, and then we also have another edge brush. They also sent a nice little bonnet, a silk bonnet, well, satin bonnet, and some eyelashes. So now getting into the box, this is what the box looks like when you get it. The wig is inside. We have a nice little care card in there. Of course, all the description for the wig. So this is the 16-inch deep wave 5x5, and this is 180% density. They also have a little care card in there to tell you how to care for your hair, and you know, their social media handles, things like that. This is what the wig looks like once you unbox it. As you guys can see, it is a 5x5 closure. It has an elastic band inside as well as adjustable straps, and it has 4 combs. Like, it don't get no more secure than that. So yeah, these curls are nice and bouncy. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I did not have to pluck this at all. I mean, at all. And it has such a natural hairline, which I absolutely loved. Those are those 4 combs that I was telling you about, and the straps. So let's get right into the install. Alright, so getting right into it, we have the ball cap, which is pretty self-explanatory at this point. I literally do it in every single video. Just putting the cap on, cutting the ears out, and then I'm going to spray it twice with got to be spray. Wait till the first layer dries to do the second layer. I do want to point out that the ball cap method is absolutely not necessary for a 5x5 unit, but I just wanted to do it. So yeah, I'm just doing it literally just for the heck of it. Sometimes you could just do it and only do the closure part, but yeah, like I said, it's not necessary to do this part. After that, I'm just taking my makeup brush and I'm just putting that all over the front, you know, the hairline part of the ball cap. So now you're just going to put that wig on. Like I said, this is a glueless wig. It's a 5x5. It is 100% glueless. You can, of course, use glue if you want to. I'm just going to be using spray today. So yeah, like I said, it's absolutely glueless. So I'm just placing that where I wanted to. Guys, look how cute these curls are. I'm not even a bob girl. Like, I don't even like short styles, like, at all. But this bob was doing it for me. The curls was so popping. Like, absolutely love them. So I'm just taking my Eben holding spray and I'm just spraying that all along the hairline, and then I'm going to take my elastic band and just tie that down. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm just taking that off and I'm going to just cut the extra lace off. As you guys can see, this is already like blended into my skin. Like, love it already. I'm just hot combing those little pieces that are, you know, kind of stuck. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm going to cut the lace off and then I'm going to get to styling. So as you guys can see, this is not even an HD lace and it's literally melted. Like, no glue, no nothing. It's melted. Absolutely love the look. Like, absolutely love it. I cannot believe how much I like this wig, because when I say I'm not a short hair girl or a bob girl, like, I'm a 30-inch bust down, 40-inch with crimps type of girl. And this wig was so cute to me. Like, short wigs are never cute to me, but this was so cute. So I'm just taking my hot comb and, you know, molding that into place how I want it to look. And then I was going to leave the curls like this, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and make them juicy. So I did get some mousse. The mousse that I'm going to use is from Half Daddy Hair. They sent it to me. with some glue to see, you know, to test it out. So I'm really not too sure if it's for sale yet, but yeah, check them out. It's Hassa Diddy Hair on Instagram. All right, you guys, and this is what the final look is looking like. Like, the hair is giving, like, call me so I can make it juicy for you. Like, that's how good these curls look. Like, I love it. I think this bob is so freaking cute. Like, look at it. It's so cute. It's so full. Like, I love a full bob. They definitely did not hold out on the bundles with this wig. It is a true 180% density. So make sure you guys go check out Tinashe Hair. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. Follow me on Instagram at Kdotcouture. Oh, I gave you guys the side part too. This is what the side part was given. It was all very, very cute. But that's about it for this video, you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.